Begin by finding a comfortable position sitting upright or lying down somewhere your body feels truly supported. Take a moment to settle in. Adjust your shoulders, loosen your neck, and let your spine find its natural curve. If you feel comfortable, close your eyes gently. Take a long, unhurried breath in through your nose. Feel the air travel all the way to the base of your lungs, giving your body new energy. Hold it softly at the top, and then exhale through your mouth, letting your breath carry the weight of your day away. Notice the gentle rhythm of your breathing, the rise and fall that has always guided you, even when your mind was busy elsewhere. Once more, breathe in deeply. Feel the coolness of the air. Hold, and exhale completely. With every breath, imagine tension leaving through invisible doors in your body, the jaw unclenching, the neck lengthening, the chest softening. Now, bring an image into your mind, your phone, tablet. It rests before you, softly illuminated, humming with subtle energy. As you inhale, recognize how much time, attention, and emotion you've given to this glowing window. As you exhale, picture the screen dimming slowly. Watch as the light fades into a deep, soothing darkness, one that doesn't demand or expect anything from you. In this darkness, there are no alerts, messages, or unseen pressures, only quiet. Feel yourself surrounded by a sanctuary of stillness. The world's noises fade until only your breath remains, steady and calm. There is comfort in this pause, this retreat from everything that pulls at your attention. Turn your focus inward now. Pay attention to your breath again, the silent ocean tide rising and receding within you. Each inhale brings in peace. Each exhale clears away what no longer serves you. Notice how your body naturally begins to align with this rhythm, as if life itself is whispering, "You are safe. You can rest." Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, golden light descending like sunrise. It touches your scalp, soothing the surface of your skin, easing every cell beneath. It moves down to your forehead, smoothing out any worry lines, and softens the muscles around your eyes. The small movements of the day dissolve here. Feel your jaw relax. Your tongue rests softly against the roof of your mouth. With every breath, your whole face becomes calm and open. Now this warm light travels down your neck, releasing all that you've carried, perhaps the weight of expectations, the strain of posture, the pressure to keep up. Your shoulders drop heavily into relaxation. Your arms become warm and heavy, yet peaceful. The light flows down your elbows, forearms, wrists, and finally, to your fingertips. You may even feel a faint tingle, a hum of returning energy. Move this healing light along your spine. Picture it unwinding any knots, realigning you vertebra by vertebra as your back opens into comfort. Feel supported by whatever you're resting on, completely held, completely safe. The light fills your chest. Notice your lungs expand more freely. Your heart beats at its own natural tempo, strong, unhurried. It doesn't race for notifications. It simply sustains you. Each pulse is a quiet affirmation. I am alive. I am present. Now guide the light into your abdomen. With every breath, your belly rises softly, then falls. Each movement massages peace into your core. The warmth travels downward into your hips, your thighs, knees, calves, ankles, and toes, until every part of you hums with tranquil energy. Let your body rest completely in this cocoon of warmth and stillness. Silently repeat to yourself, I unplug from digital noise. I recharge my inner energy. I am whole and calm. Let these words float in your mind like gentle waves on water. Above you, imagine the night sky unfolds vast and infinite. Stars sparkle at a distance, timeless and patient. Veins of glowing nebula swirl slowly, painting the universe in blues, violets, and tender pinks. This sky is vast yet peaceful, expansive yet still. You are floating within it, suspended in serenity. Each breath connects you to this cosmic stillness. As you inhale, draw in the infinite calm of space. As you exhale, release everything small and frantic. You are part of the rhythm of the universe, now endless and quiet. Within your chest, imagine a radiant sphere of light, a personal sun that glows from within. With each breath, it expands, steady and warm. It represents your life force, your true energy that exists beyond screens, signals, or statistics. This glow reminds you that aliveness comes from presence, not productivity. Stay here for a moment, suspended between earth and stars, breathing in peace and exhaling noise. When thoughts drift, as they naturally do, greet them kindly and let them pass like clouds moving through your cosmic sky. Return to the center, to your breath, your body, your light. Now, begin to bring awareness back to your immediate world. Feel the contact between your body and the surface supporting you. Notice the air on your skin, the subtle sounds in your environment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Rotate your shoulders gently. When you are ready, open your eyes slowly. Keep this calm energy with you as you return to your day. Remember, you can revisit this sanctuary anytime simply by closing your eyes, breathing deeply, and unplugging from the noise around you. You are calm. You are grounded. You are whole. You are home within yourself.